A step-by-step guide on how to open the iPhone SE2 for repairs. Please check the description for the required repair tools, protective gear, and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and eject the SIM tray, and then remove the two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, apply heat around the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Around 1 minute will be ideal. Please note that some models may need extra heating to loosen the adhesive. Once the heating process is complete, use a suitable suction cup or something similar to lift the screen. Here, we use a regular suction cup to lift the front assembly. Use the suction cup at the bottom to raise the screen. Then gently pull the screen to create a gap for inserting a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker. Next, work around the screen to free the rubber gaskets on the frame. You can use a picker or car pry tool in this step. This process will take time and needs patience. When using the tool, insert only the tip. Do not push it in too far, as it may damage the flex cables. Next, open the screen to a 90-degree angle from left to the right. Please note that the flex cables are still attached and be extra careful with them. Next, remove 4 screws to remove the LCD connector shield. Next, undo the battery, touch, and LCD connectors from the logic board. Next, on the top right, undo 3 screws to remove the earpiece assembly shield. Next, disconnect the earpiece assembly connector from the board to free the screen.